Hi everyone, today we're going to be making a green grilled cheese, and this recipe is part of our Cooking with Spring Veggies workshop. The ingredients we're going to be using are some mixed greens, some green onions, cheddar cheese, cream, olive oil, Dijon mustard, and of course some nice rustic bread. I really like this recipe because you can really use any sort of greens that you have growing in your garden. Today I'm going to be using some baby Swiss chard, some spinach, some tatsoi, and some arugula. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is chop up your greens. You want to make these really fine. So you're just going to come through and chop them up and almost shred them. Alright, those look pretty good. You can see they're nice and finely chopped. Now let's go ahead and chop up our green onions. Same thing, you just want them to almost just kind of disappear into your greens, and so you want to chop them really fine. Alright, that looks great. Now let's go ahead and heat up our skillet and we'll make our grilled cheese. Alright, I've got my skillet nice and warmed up. So first you're going to make the filling for your grilled cheese. So you're just going to add a little bit of olive oil. You're going to take that greens and green onion mixture and you're going to just saute it. All right, next you are going to add a little bit of Dijon mustard. Your cream, and your cheddar cheese. Now you're going to mix that up. Alright, so I've let my greens and cheese mixture cool just a little bit. I've taken it out of the skillet and I've got my bread here and I've buttered the side that's going to go down. So on the reverse side of that, you're going to spoon your greens mixture onto your bread just like this. Get it nice and smoothed out. Lay it on your skillet. Okay. And then you're going to let it just toast in the skillet. You'll do it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. All right, let's go ahead and flip this over. All right, there you have it, a green grilled cheese. Enjoy.